Go ahead, man. Go down a little bit.
Down.
About 2 inches.
2 inches. More?
You clear? Yeah. Go ahead.
Down?
Yep.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. Hold on.
Coming all the way.
I think this goes in here. Yeah. Hey, Jason.
What's up?
Come here for a second. This, this gotta go like this. Got to. So we need to take off this bracket. We might even have to take off the line. Fuck. Let me just put that line on too. Let's see. This needs to go behind this line because the wire loom is on this side. So take off the line up there again. Sorry. I just don't want that wire to burn because the manifold is there. When you go back inside, order an assortment of grease fittings. Yeah, it's missing.
Okay.
All right. So let's see. Let me have the line. Let's see if this goes like this or not. This goes like this. This goes like this. And this goes in here. Hold on a second. Don't put it on yet. Assuming this goes just like this. Okay, reach though. Bring it down some more?
Down.
Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. I think this one goes here. Somewhere along the line. Go down a little more.
Hold on.
Down.
Hold on. Wait.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, okay.
Go ahead.
Good?
Yeah?
Alright, just tap it there.
Tap. Is it okay to apply light pressure on
Yeah,
it?
yeah, of course.
Yeah? Tell me when.
Go ahead. Hold it right there.
Hold it right there.
Somewhere along this line, this should go. I wonder if this goes just like this then. I'm gonna leave it like that for right now. Because this has to go up as the engine goes up. Oh, see, look, there's a holder here. I wonder if this thing goes here then. Let's There's a clip that goes here. Maybe. Go ahead, go up.
Okay.
You clear on your side, Jason?
You mean down?
I mean down.
Over here. Let me know. Clear?
Yeah.
Pierre's all pissed over there. Down? Clear?
Easy. Okay, but here we need to push this up. Fuck. This has to go up. Can you grab it from the top side, dude? This has got to go up. This has got to go up nice and easy. Hold on, nice and easy. This one's got to go up. That's got to go up. This one stays halfway down, and then this one's got to go up. Right about there for right now, I think. No. Oh, no. No. Pass them all back to me. They have to go behind the brake line. Pass them all back to me. Yep, all of them. They're all wrong. Okay, let's try this again. They gotta go through here. They gotta go through here, Jason. Here you go, that's one. That's good right there, don't pull it too much. There's two. And then here's three. Try to put this one in front of the big one. Like switch it around. There you go. Hi, babe.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Continue down?
Yeah, down slowly.
Here's your flashlight. Ready?
Yep.
Clear?
Hold on, Jason's gonna check over there. Can I go?
Yeah? Okay.
It's not up here, so we won't know. So I'm assuming.
Hey, Steve.
Yes.
You are? No, I'm Jen. But,
Which way is full? So we need to come out more. Right about there. No, too much. Right about there.
Okay, what am I doing up there?
Kind of look, make sure nothing gets pinched.
You
Let me get you the store.
have a ladder? Yeah. Okay. Oh, thanks.
see anything that's about to get pinched, you gotta let us know.
Okay, so
Like this line should be free all the time.
actually, I see something right now. You got a second? This right here. See these lines over here?
I can't see.
Oh.
We should just move over some.
Okay. Look in the corner. Those lines. I just need one though.
Yeah, that's fine.
Body.
Yeah, those you gotta hold towards you.
Okay.
That's okay. Are you ready, Jason?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh, stop. These lines, how are they gonna go around these brake lines here?
Yeah. Just gotta force them down. Hold on.
Down or up?
These you just gotta do it just like that.
Yeah, that's
Just
okay.
like that.
So I would need to hold pressure up.
Yeah, just hold.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Here we go.
Oh, stop. I got a clamp that got caught over here
See.
on that bracket.
Okay. All right, Jason, you good?
Look at those brake lines though in the corner.
Don't worry about those because I'm gonna work on those to the bottom.
You're gonna work on those.
I'm gonna work on these lines. And I think Jason has a visual from that side. So.
Okay.
Clear?
Yep.
Yeah. Stop. These brake lines are gonna hit this bend, this big line here, this AC line.
I can't see.
Look at the curve of the thing.
Yeah, that's okay. Yo. How you doing, man? What's up, man? Oh, shit. That's all right. Don't worry about it. That's what I didn't want to do. It's okay. Got these two handles for you. Perfect. All right. Cool. Thank you. I just back it up. Yeah, appreciate it.
Did you see what I was talking about here?
Yep.
Kind of
We
finesse.
still got ways to go. We got another inch to go. Clear?
Yeah.
There's a sensor on this side of it in the back.
Yeah.
By the inner wall. It's clear there? Sensor?
I think so.
Look at the sensor.
By the firewall?
Right here. The cam sensor on this side. Is it gonna hit the wall?
No, I think you're okay. Yeah. Yeah, the one here. Ah, that's better.
All right, here we go. Clear?
Yeah.
Much better now. Hold on. Let me just move this pipe out of the way.
Which pipe?
No, I moved it already.
We're pretty much almost through here already.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What the heck?
What's this pipe, Steve? This tube, this line?
Get this compressor over first. Jason, how are we looking over there?
Straight.
Which pipe?
Ah, this line right here.
Yeah.
Where does it go down there? It's just free?
It's got to stay just like that.
Okay.
It's got to stay here. You can hold it right there. Put it right in there. Yep. And that tube too, if you can, it can stay
This
a
tube?
little loose like that. It's okay.
Okay.
Clear? Clear. Okay, now I know why we left this axle out, Jason.
You gotta take it back out?
Yep. Fuck.